Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast. So guys, if you are using iPhone and your iPhone battery draining fast, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to do some settings. So first of all you need to open your settings in your iPhone or iPad, and guys click on general. And guys, after doing this you need to, here is the option of airdrop. So guys, first of all you need to turn off this receiving off, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, here is the option of background app refresh. So guys, you need to turn off this. So guys, if it is clicked on Wi-Fi or mobile data, you need to turn off it. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, here is the option of iPhone storage. So guys, you need to check your storage. If your storage is full, then guys you need to delete some data from your iPhone storage. And guys, after doing this, here you need to find your free use app. So guys, the app that you are not using in your iPhone, you need to delete your app from here. And guys, after deleting you need to go back. And guys, after this you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of display and brightness. Simply you need to click on dark mode, and guys you need to use dark mode in your iPhone. And guys, after doing this you need to go back and scroll it down. You need to click on wallpaper, and guys here you need to use your wallpaper that is not live wallpaper. You need to use your simple wallpaper on your display. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, here is the option of standby mode. So guys, simply you need to turn off this. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, here is the option of privacy and security, so you need to click on it. And guys, here is the option of location services. You need to turn off this. And guys, after turning off you need to go back and scroll it down. And guys, here you need to open your apps or like app store. Simply you need to click on this. And guys, if your mobile data is on in this tab, you need to turn off this. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, now you need to open another app like mail. So guys, you need to turn off mobile data as well in this app. So guys, you need to open one by one these apps. And guys, you need to turn off mobile data in all the apps. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, you need to scroll down, and if your Bluetooth is turned on you need to turn off it. And guys, after doing this, your Wi-Fi, you need to disconnect your Wi-Fi if you are not using Wi-Fi. And guys, after you're doing all the settings, then guys your battery performance will be better. And guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.